Today I'm going to show you the Sterling rechargeable sonic power toothbrush with UV sanitizer. Picked this up on Amazon for $43. And on the picture right there, it comes with the rechargeable toothbrush and the UV sanitizer, and that's the charging base. Let's get right to it. Actually comes with 3, 6, 9, 12 extra brushes. We have a blue and a red, blue and red. Then we got 6 regular brushes, white ones. And here's the UV sanitizer with the charging base. And here's the electrical component for the brush. On and off switch right here. We got down here is for the different modes: clean, soft, whiten, and massage. And we got the battery level right there. Actually comes fully charged right out of the box. And there's the charging base for that. And right there we got the UV light. And you simply put your brush right on here, just like that. Let's plug it in, give it a shot. There it is, charging right there. Put it right in. Got the UV light right there, sanitizing it. Simply open the door up and the light turns off. Take the brush out, pop it right on. Turn on. Pretty powerful. Whiten, massage, clean, and soft. On and off button right up here. Bam. Throw it back on the charging station when you're done. The red indicating it's charging. Pop this off. Can't do it with one hand. Pop that off, throw it on. There you go. There it is. That's the Sterling rechargeable sonic power toothbrush with the UV sanitizer. Thanks for watching and have a good one.